Bounce on. Yeah. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, it's all about today. And that's what I'm trying to tell you right now. You should call me for Radford Home Flip Academy and learn how to flip your first house. Go from living in a house, going to a duplex, get owner financing, FHA with 3% down. I can teach you how to do that. You want to know how to do that? Call me at 931-241-9714. Salute all veterans. Let's go, baby. Home sweet home, let's go. Are y'all ready? All right, give me the car. All right, let's go, get them. All right, let's see who's gonna win. Chatai, how you doing? You getting them, Chatai? All right. Drive him, Gabbo. Get him, Chatai. All right. Put the card in your bag, Gabby. Get him! Woohoo! Let me get some action. You got the card. You put in your purse, in your little purse bag. All right, we'll do that next. All right, we'll get that one next. So is that how you get your game started? Get him! I know she's trying to get you, Chatai. Get her. Oh! She got you, Chatai. All right, what are we playing here? Did it go off the thing? Going over there. I think he got it. Oh, thank you. Oh, Chatai got 3. Get him. Oh, Chatai got 4. Oh. What's the score? Oh, Chatai got again. 6-2. Chatai doing the winning dance. The winning dance. Chatai. 7-2. Good job. Where's the dance? Oh, the winner's dance. All right, let's go. What we got here? 7-2 on that one. 3 times tonight. All right, let's go, Chatai. All right. Chatai is fast. Let's go. Get him, Chatai. Speed counts. There you go. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. All right, let's see what you get, Gabbo. Get him, get one. Get the big one. Oh, get it, Gabby. Pull him out. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! No! Get him, Gabby. Ah! It fell. All right, Chatai. I know, that's how they get it. You had it. Okay, but you're gonna let her do it too. All right, let's roll over here. We're done. Let's go back to the bowling. Hey, real quick. Go, Chatai, go. Alright, so you had a good time? Tell them bye. Tell them bye.